Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's AutoCAD tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix layer properties not applying to objects. Have you ever changed a layer's color, line type, line weight, or transparency only to discover that some objects refuse to update? It can be frustrating when layer settings don't seem to affect the objects that are supposed to be on that layer. The good news is that this problem is usually caused by object property overrides, and it's easy to fix once you know where to look. First, start by selecting one of the objects that isn't responding to the layer changes. Open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1 if it's not already visible. Look at the object's color, line type, line weight, and transparency settings. For layer properties to control an object, these settings must be set to by layer. If you see a specific color, such as red, blue, or green instead of by layer, the object has an override. The same applies to line type, line weight, and transparency. Change each overwritten property back to by layer. If multiple objects have the same issue, you don't need to fix them one at a time. Select all the affected objects at once, then open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1. In the Properties palette, change the color, line type, line weight, and transparency settings to by layer. Next, verify that the objects are actually placed on the correct layer. Sometimes objects appear to belong to a layer because they look similar, but they were accidentally created on another layer. Select the object and check the layer property in the Properties palette. If necessary, move it to the correct layer. Another common cause is blocks. If the object is inside a block, changing the layer properties outside the block may not affect it. Open the block editor by typing bEdit and selecting the block. Check whether the objects inside the block are assigned to specific colors or layers. For maximum flexibility, set the objects to by layer or by block where appropriate, then save and close the block editor. You should also check for viewport overrides if you're working in a layout. A layer may appear differently in a specific viewport because custom viewport settings are overriding the global layer properties. Open Layer Properties Manager and review any viewport color, line type, or line weight overrides that may be active. If line type changes are not visible, type Regen and press Enter. Sometimes AutoCAD needs to regenerate the drawing before line type updates become visible on screen. For stubborn objects, try using the Set by Layer command. Type Set by Layer, press Enter, select the affected objects, and follow the prompts. This command automatically removes many property overrides and returns objects to by layer settings. Finally, save your drawing and review the results. Once objects are set to by layer and placed on the correct layer, any future layer property changes will automatically update those objects, making layer management much easier. And that's how to fix layer properties not applying to objects in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.